Okay. So as part of yesterday's class, we have completely learned about where class. So about while. So while loop is a kind of iteration. It's a part of iteration, and we know the use cases of while loop. And even I requested everybody to write some couple of programs. I hope everybody tried from your side. So if you are trying and if you are having any doubts and any logic, so that I'm happy to explain. And one more thing I want to tell you this. So as of now, we have written a while loop from zero. Okay, we have initiate there is initialization, condition, and increment. So even what I mean to say is, as of now, we have created a program like I is equals to 1. Okay, then I less than or is equals to 10. Okay, then I plus plus. So in this case, how it going to work? It will start in this case. So it's going to start with 1, and it's going to start with 1, and it increments that 1 value, and then after that whenever the value is 11, this loop comes out. This is the one way to write it. Or we can also design your program. You can also design your program. So for example, I is equals to 10. Okay, I greater than or is equal to I. So I less than 0. So I less than or is equal I. So less than or is equals to I. So greater than or is equals to 0. So I greater than or is equals to 0. Then I minus minus. So I minus minus. In this case, how it's going to work? So we are going it on reverse order. We are going it on reverse order, which means that so it will starts with what 10. Okay, then 10 greater than or is equals to 0. Then it will display. Then it reduces the value to 9. Then 8. Okay, then 6 7. So even this kind of condition also we can write, and we can execute the program. I just want to give some heads up, like this way also we can able to write as part of um, while loop. For example, I is equals to 10. Okay, then while dollar I, so greater than or is equals to but we need to provide valid conditions. Okay, greater than or is equals to do, then then do echo dollar I, then I is equals to so expr, so I is equal to expr, dollar I, so dollar I, earlier we used plus one, right? Now we'll use the minus one, then done. So in this case, what happens? So first it starts with 10. It will display the 10. Then after that, it will then it reduces the value 9. 9 greater than or equal to 0. Condition is correct. Then whenever it reduces the minus values, whenever it reduces the minus value, then your program will be terminated. Your program will be circuit terminated. So which means that so these are the, I mean, we can also go with either in reverse order, or we can also go with either in forward direction also. But if you are going in a reverse order, so I mean the initialization, condition, and increment all should be in a sync. So if any of them are not in a sync, then you know that the loop goes to infinite. So we can go with we can define higher number, and we can reduce the values, and accordingly we can specify a condition. Accordingly we can specify a condition. So these are the things when it will be exited. So when the value is minus 1, then this program will be terminated. So if you want to see that whether for example, if I mention minus 5, so it will generate the value until that, then it will be fail. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. Whenever it reaches to the minus 5, then this program will be terminated. So like this, a while loop can also contain, so we have already seen that nested while loop, and so different types of while loops we have already seen that. So any doubts on here? So any doubts on here? And yesterday we have also discussed couple of shell programs. So where if you want to display that prime numbers from 1 to 100, how do we display the prime numbers from 1 to 100? So this is the one way of this is we can also go with while loop, or we can also go with for loop. So even in while loop also, what we can do, we can define while I is equals to 2, then dollar I, dollar I, so less than or is equals to 100, because we want it from 1 to 100. So after that, then so after that, so while less than or is equals to 100, then while dollar I plus 1, so plus 1, then done. So in this case what it does, so we are going to display the, so values from, we are going to display the values from, so echo dollar I, why dollar I less than or is equals to, I think minus, not minus 100, it's 100. Okay, then condition. So here, so obviously it's minus 100 means it's less than only, right? So it won't execute. So we'll get some values. So from 1 to 100, so what is the logic of what is the logic of prime number? The logic of prime number is, so the number should not divisible with any number except that. So except that. So in this case, what you need to do? So inside that we need to write a one more logic. Inside that we need to write a one more logic. So inside that one more logic we need to be implement. So dollar I. So here what we need to do, we need to define one more while loop. While, so while we can also define, so here echo dollar I, and j is equals to j is equals to 2. Then after that we have to declare, so while, so while, so we need to specify a condition. What is the condition we need to specify? While dollar here, while dollar j less than of dollar I by 2. So whenever if I is equals to 0, then we can say that it is prime is equals to 0, break. Otherwise if it is 1, then we can display that this is a prime number. So which means that, so for example j is equals to 1. So if you are the outer query, it will generate j less than or is equals to I by 2. So half of the value we'll get it, gen j plus plus. So we are trying to for performing the operations. And one more example is, we have discussed about how to reverse a string. So for example, how to reverse a string. So in order to reverse a string, it's very simple and straightforward. So we need to enter the string. So we need to identify the length. So there are two ways to identify the length. What are the two ways to identify the length? So for example, so I'm going to declare a country, COUNTRY, country is equals to India. Then for example, if I want to calculate that, if I want to calculate length of this guy, dollar, then flower brackets, then hash, then country, dollar power brackets, hash, country. So in this case you will say that 5. So INDAA contains a 5 characters. Or we can also go with echo, so dollar, echo dollar country, echo dollar country, pipe WC hyphen C. WC hyphen C, it will display the output on output on so hyphen C means characters. It will, the output will be in a the how the output will be is, it is a kind of character output. So you will always get one number extra. So either we can go with this way, or we can go with this way. So once we go on this pattern, then we can able to first extract the position number 6. Then how do we extract the position number 6? We already know it. So we already know it. How to extract the position number 6? So how to extract that? So we can able to extract. So by using, so by using by using dollar $str. So this syntax we already knew it. This syntax we already knew it. For example, dollar. So what is the country here? Country. So what is that last one? So the last position is 5, right? 5 colon 1, which means that fifth position we are trying to extract. So once we extract the fifth position, So once you extract the okay, fifth position, so okay, then we are going to append. So we are going to so okay append it to that existing string. Okay, then we are so here first will be like I length of okay minus one. Then I greater than or equals to okay 0. So okay here we don't have okay 5, right? So okay here we can go with so okay 4 because it will starts with okay it will start with it will start with okay 0, right? So we need to use as a okay 4. So I is equals to dollar length of okay minus 1 and okay I greater than or is equals to 0, I minus minus. So we are trying to extract each and every character and we are trying to append. So at the end okay with help of okay if condition we are trying to okay evaluate. So we are trying to so okay evaluate. So once okay okay this way. So okay the for example okay the same way. So okay for example okay str. So okay here so str is equals to so okay, line x. For example okay linux line x. So for this okay str we already defined that okay str, right? Now length and we are trying to reduce the one value. So now echo dollar I and okay echo dollar okay length. We can able to okay see it. Then this is simple, right? So what are trying to achieve? While we know already what is the value of I, the value of I is okay 5. So the value of I is 4. So first we are trying to okay extract the so while dollar I in our condition is correct, then okay reverse it is equals to so already we have defined okay one variable. So already we have defined okay one variable. So now reverse it is equals to 1. Now we are going to okay extract. So now we are going to extract. So okay here okay dollar str. So okay okay here we are trying to extract the so reverse it is equals to dollar of okay reverse whatever as of now it is nothing is having. Now enter echo dollar okay reverse echo dollar okay reverse. We are having now x. So now here, so what is the value of I here? 4. Now if you change the value of okay I, so if you try to hard code the value of I is equals to 1, so okay then 3, then okay we'll get a third position. Now already a reversed keyword is already having a keyword called X, right? Now what is that okay third or fourth position is having, it will extract and it will append to that. So Xi. So if you go with okay this position again now here 2, so now go ahead and okay use this one. So xin. So similarly for okay 0, so 1 and okay similarly for okay 0. Similarly for the okay 0. So we are trying to extract the level by level and okay each one we are trying to okay append it. So to just understand the logic, I'm providing okay more okay examples how it's going to be okay execute all those okay details. So any doubts on okay this executions, how it will be, where it will starts, where it ends. So hopefully okay, I have provided okay, some content okay, which is really helpful for you guys. Even we already okay, we have also created some useful cases. So reading the disk space utilization of all file system and notifying and okay, validating the services until unless the value is okay validated, the service is okay running. So don't come out when the service is come out. When the service is running, break it. Or okay if you want to okay attempt okay multiple times okay to the specific url. So there are okay, many use cases you can just think it. So which one I need to use, so which logic okay is okay helpful for me, then accordingly okay we can incorporate your logics and we can build up okay programs. So those are the things. Even the same thing also will support by the awk command also. Awk command okay, we are having a keyword called okay length. So with help of length keyword, we can also identify that okay length. What is the okay length of a specific? The same thing. I greater than 0, I minus minus printf, and we are going to do the same thing. So now, okay, I hope okay this will be okay clear for okay everyone. So any further okay doubts? So we have learned about a while loop. So from last 2 days, today okay we'll okay start about okay today we are going to learn about okay for loop. So okay for loop. So before going to okay for loop, so if you want to know anything, so let me know. Clear? So now we are going to discuss about for loop. So the for loop is I mean even you go with the usage of for loop is, so if you want to iterate if you want to iterate I mean if there is a requirement and we want to iterate our program either by using that with help of either by using an array or even by using a range, or if you want to specify. So I mean in Unix we are having a different use cases. So for loop for loop, so I mean in Unix there are two styles of Unix contains two styles of syntax. Two styles of syntax. So the first one is, I mean specifying and I mean keeping initialization, condition and increment together together into one place, together into one place. So for example, for, so I is equals to, so for I is equals to 1, and I less than or is equals to 10, then I plus plus, then I plus plus. This is one logic. This is, so in this case, if you go with this pattern, the intent of this syntax is, with the help of this we can able to specify the initialization, condition and increment together. So the differences between that previous while loop syntax and this syntax is, as part of while loop we are going to specify the initialization, condition, increment on different places. So whenever the value is increased, the condition will be evaluated, and the statements which are there inside the program, inside that it will be executed. Whereas in for loop, so the since we are going to keep the initialization, condition and increment together in a together into one place. So the entire program, I mean what happens here is, the entire it only evaluate one time. So very first time the initialization, condition, increment evaluates and keeps it on buffer. So for the whenever the value is increasing, so the moment when it go for the compilation, then it remembers that I want to iterate this program this many number of times. So go ahead and iterate it. So I mean comparatively, the performance of for loop is a bit faster compared to while loop. The syntax of this one is also same. Echo dollar I, and echo dollar I, then done. So sorry, echo dollar I. So here. So here done. So the syntax of this one is do echo dollar I, done. So if you go with this styles of syntax, if you go with this styles of syntax, it's very faster, and it is very faster. So here what are trying to achieve, so even the number of lines of program is also reduced. So I mean if you go with initialization, condition, increment, since we are going to keep it on three lines, instead of three lines we are going to keep all of them in a single line. All of them are in a single line. And same way, so for example, if the condition is incorrect, for example, if the condition is incorrect, so if the condition is incorrect, so I mean if you are not going to specify the condition, if you are not going to specify the condition, here program also will go with infinite loops. Here also program will go the will I mean it goes to the say infinite loops. There is no, so I mean, so if you are not going to specify, for example, assume that, so if you specify some invalid condition, for example, let's specify some invalid condition. So we are going to I greater than or is equals to, so I greater than or is equals to, so if you are going to keep it as an some false condition, for example, I is equals to again I is equals to 1, then I plus plus. So the always the condition, I mean, so even though if you are not going to specify, the program will continuously runs. The program will continuously runs, which means that, so here you need to specify. So you need to specify as part of while loop. So as part of okay for loop, if you are not going to okay specify, so if you are not going to okay specify any of these three, the program I mean it throws the okay exception. It throws the okay exception. For example, if you go with okay this guy, I greater than or is equals to okay 100, then okay I plus plus. So in this case, it is a all of them are okay syncing. All of them are okay syncing. So we'll get okay. I mean okay, you are going to get the okay output. You are going to get the so output. So if the condition is incorrect and if it is not matching, then so it also goes to the okay, infinite loop. It also goes to the okay infinite loop. So for example, if I'm not going to okay specify, so if I'm not going to okay specify, so if I'm not going to okay, specify the condition and okay, increment, so you will get okay, syntactical error. So you will get a syntactical okay, error. So okay, if you mention okay, two semicolons also, I think okay, this will goes to will get a syntax error. So the thing is, so if you go with a while loop, so if you go with a while loop, okay, you have to specify. It's not mandatory that you need to okay, specify increment operator. You need to specify okay condition. So if there is initialization, so if you are mentioning okay while true, okay do or something, so that okay the program runs like infinite loop if you want to run it. But as part of for loop, we have to keep all of them okay together. So okay, if you want to achieve it, okay, if you want to achieve it on okay infinite loop, we can achieve it. But the condition should be okay incorrect. So if the condition is incorrect, then okay we can able to okay achieve it. This is the okay one style of syntax. This is okay one style of okay syntax. Now we do have okay another okay other styles of syntax. So okay here while I is equals to 1 and okay I less than or is equals to okay 10, then okay I plus plus. So I less than or is equals to 10 and okay I plus plus. So we will display that okay 10. Whereas, so for example, now if you want to okay create the same mathematical okay program that we have okay discussed okay earlier, so that also okay we can able to okay that also okay we can able to achieve it by using okay this method. By using this method, we can able to okay achieve it. So simply what we can do, we can simply okay add. So okay we can simply okay add okay and outside inside that okay for loop. So okay, inside the for loop also we can able to okay do that do and okay done. So do and okay done. So these are the things okay you need to be okay specify. So okay here okay how do you need to okay specify? So okay here math table of okay dollar okay I. So now okay here, so okay your condition should be, so we have to okay define a condition. So okay here okay we have to okay define a condition. Here also the same way, right? So we want to okay display that okay here okay here okay we'll start with okay 2 and okay here now j is equals to okay 1 and okay j j, so okay less than or is equals to okay 10. So j less than or is equals to okay 10 and okay j plus plus, j less than or equals to 10 and okay j plus plus, j less than or equals to 10 and okay j okay plus plus and okay j okay plus plus. So if you go with okay this okay if you go with okay this pattern, so in this case what it does, so it also performs the same thing. For example, okay if you want to just echo dollar I comma okay dollar okay j, dollar I comma okay dollar j. See, I mean, the number of lines of your program is going to okay decrease okay drastically. So 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 8, 9 into 1, 9 into 3. So what and all okay what you need to be okay place it okay here. So echo, so okay here dollar I, so okay into okay dollar j. So okay echo dollar I into okay dollar j is equals to, so okay is equals to okay is equals to okay okay here dollar of, so okay you need to perform the mathematical that okay condition, so that you need to be specify on okay here dollar I into okay dollar okay j. That's it. So now it will okay execute and it will okay will get the okay output. See how fast it is. So the way of understanding, so the way how you are going to write your programs, the way how you are write, the way how you want to. So I mean, either we can go with either okay, for loop, or okay, we can also go with either okay, while loop. So in while loop, I mean comparatively, so the performance is bit faster. Compare okay, for loop provides the better performance compared to okay, while loop. That we already know it. So now, and okay, one more thing is, so the use cases of okay, while loop is, so we go with okay, while loop. You don't know how many times to repeat. So okay, reading, I mean, for example, as I know that, as I told, like if you want to read the okay, if you want to okay, read a specific file, so if you want to read a specific file, and okay, you want to okay, run that program, we don't know like how many lines that okay, file contains, right? That is okay, one style of okay, syntax. Or okay, if you want to okay, wait for a okay, if you want to okay, wait until a file okay, exists and okay, run. So those are the scenarios where okay, we go with okay, where we go, where we can use okay, while loop. So the for loop is useful when if you want to okay, execute that like a program. So for example, if you want to execute a program over a list or over a range, or okay, during that conditions, so okay, we can go with okay, this okay, for loop. As I told you that, so the while loop checks the condition first okay, before executing the loop. Whereas okay, for loop, through the each item in sequence okay, for okay, list. So that way it will try to so evaluate. And okay, that, I mean, the remaining things are okay, same only. So the while loop is okay, if somebody asks you that what are the basic differences, we can say that. So while loop is okay, while loop is mainly for condition based, or okay, for loop is okay, mainly for okay, list or sequences, for source kind of okay, places. So okay, when it comes with okay, flow of the control, the while loop executes, the while loop runs while condition is okay, true, where it iterates over the predefined number of okay, list or okay, range. So okay, the use cases is okay, for example, sometimes the best use cases of okay, while loop is if you don't know how many times you want to run your loop. For example, number of lines in a file, and okay, that is the one of the best scenario. Whereas if you know that okay, if you know that okay, you want to run your program some predefined number of times, then okay, we can also go with okay, this okay, we can also go with this okay, for loop. So this is the okay, syntax. Now, so for example, in the same program, so in same program, I want to okay, print. So I want to okay, print. So I want to okay, print okay, okay, triangular. So I want to okay, generate so okay, triangle. So I want to generate okay, triangle. So how do we generate okay, this triangle? So for example, okay, you want to generate okay, triangle of. So you want to generate okay, triangle. So in this case, how can we generate it? The same program, right? So let's try to okay, make a small modifications on this program. First we'll start with okay, I is equals to 1. So I less than or equals to 10, I plus plus. So okay, now okay, remove this echo. So okay, echo. So just okay, remove this. So okay, echo. So echo. Now, so okay, for okay, j is equals to okay, 1. So for okay, j is equals to okay, 1. So if you mention okay, here, so I mean, the loop has to be iterate, right? For example, if it is okay, I is equals to 1, you have to print okay, you have to print only one star. You have to print only one star. If I is equals to 2, if you okay, you want to okay, print okay, two stars. You want to print okay, two stars. So in this case, you just okay, simply add a condition okay, here, j is equals to 1, start with 1 by default, or okay, j okay, less than or is equals to, so j less than or is equals to okay, dollar okay, I. So j less than or is equals to okay, dollar I. And so okay, and okay, j okay, minus minus. So what is the logic we are going to specify? So first the value 1 comes, so j is equals to 1, and okay, j less than or equals to I. So the condition is satisfying, right? And okay, the next time j minus minus, it okay, it iterates the 0, condition is incorrect. So it will print okay, only okay, one star. It will print only okay, one star. So echo, so okay, star, echo okay, star. So okay, for example, okay, if it is okay, I mean okay, if it is okay, two star, okay, if it is next time it will be two. So in step it will be 2, right? So then j is equals to 1 and okay, j less than or equals to 2. The condition is correct. So okay, 1 less than or equals to okay 2. Correct only. So we are going to reduce. So 2 times will print the stars. Then 3 times, 4 times and 5 times. So very simple logic. We want to achieve it. So this way we are going to. So what is the problem on okay here? So what is the okay problem okay here? So echo. So what is that? Okay, can somebody think what is the okay problem okay here? So we are going to keep the star, right? So okay, the star is going to okay, invoke it as okay special. Star is going to invoke it as okay special. So that's why because okay, you know that okay star is always okay behave as okay star is okay always okay behave as okay star is okay always okay behave as okay I mean so now it is also in a indefinite loop. So now it is also going to the so indefinite loop. So this is also going to the okay, okay, infinite loop. So what is the okay problem on okay here? Can somebody okay think?
అన్న డౌట్ అన్న పెట్టదు నాకు.
So here the program is going to infinite loop. So what is the logic? What is the problem you can think? So okay here okay j is equals to now j is equals to 1 and okay echo dollar I. So echo dollar I and okay for j is equals to so okay j is equals to okay 1. So okay for example okay 1 and okay j less than or is equals to dollar I and okay j minus minus. So now okay run this okay program okay one more time and okay let's see how it's going to be okay work. So this is not okay. This completely going to so this is completely going to that okay infinite loops. It's completely going to that so infinite loop. Then where and all okay we can okay make okay small changes. Where okay if so okay here so okay remove this guy. So for example if you think that okay this is okay incorrect, Control X. So go ahead and okay okay specify only okay this program. So okay here so you will get okay 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now inside this logic is very crucial. This logic is so okay, very crucial you want to be incorporate. Now if it is j is equals to 1, so and okay j less than or is equals to okay dollar I. So okay here so whether I'm not sure whether so okay here okay dollar is going to okay invoke. So let me try to use j is equals to okay I and okay j minus minus j okay minus minus. So let's see whether okay whether dollar is okay invoking or not. Let's see. No. So the condition is okay dissatisfying and okay we are continuously okay running the program. Then where what could be the okay problem here? How can we rectify this problem? So which condition is okay having okay issue here? So which condition is okay having okay issue here? Come on, think it. So here I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to 10, I plus plus and okay, echo dollar I okay for now we are going to specify so here now okay j is equals to so okay here if you go with okay j is equals to okay I so okay it will display it as okay now go with j is equals to okay I and okay j less than or is equals to so okay j okay less than okay okay here so okay, if you go with okay j less than or is equals to okay 10 so if you go with okay j less than 10 and okay j plus plus okay j plus plus So will it also work? Can you just think it? So if you're
Yes,
getting a confusion, we can also okay, give the okay, spaces. So this is how we need to be okay, think. So okay, here. So I is equals to now j is equals to 1, j less than or is equals to okay 10, and okay j plus plus. Let's see whether okay what kind of output okay we will get it. So okay here 1 2 3 4, and okay we are going to get as okay 1. So okay displayed okay star okay 10 times. 2 9 okay 2 okay what is it 2 9 times. It is going to okay display. It's okay it is displaying the okay value. So here we have to use hyphen n. What is the meaning of hyphen n? Hyphen n suppress the default okay behavior. Instead of displaying the output on screen okay output on different line, then okay it will display the output on okay single line. So now run this one. So here see. So okay here one okay two. So for example okay if you are not going to okay use this guy, so echo dollar I okay here echo dollar. Now okay run this okay statement. So we are going to get, so okay first okay echo okay for example okay if you are going to keep this okay echo on okay, at the end. So okay here okay do done. So after that okay if you mention okay, echo okay here. So we already discussed about that okay, echo statements. Now it is perfectly. So we are going to get the output okay very perfectly and cleanly. But the output is in okay, reverse format. The output is in so reverse format. So how it's going to okay work on okay reverse format? So okay here. So the j is equals to okay 1. So j is equals to 1 and j less than or is equals to okay 10. So initially the very first time the condition will be j is equals to 1 and okay j less than or is equals to okay 10 and okay j less than or is equals to 10 and okay j plus plus. So it will display that okay next time I will become as a 2 and okay 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If it is 10 only one time it is going to be displayed. Now we want the output in a reverse order. Now we want to display the output it on so okay reverse order. Then okay, which place we can make this condition? Think it.
Anna, keep j equals to 1 instead of I, Anna.
So j is equals to
1.
1. Next.
That's all, Anna.
So if you go with okay j is equals to 1, so every time, so for example okay 1, so okay in this case, so let's see how it's going to be, so how it's going to okay behave. No, every time we are getting okay 10 stars. It's incorrect, right? So okay, we
Yes.
want to display very first time. You want to display okay only okay 1 star. For example, if you go with okay j less than or is equals to okay I, j less than or is equals to okay I, and okay j plus plus. So okay j plus plus. So let's see how it goes. We are going to get correctly. So here how it's going to okay how it's going to work is, so j is equals to 1. Now j less than or is equals to okay here very first time. Now j is equals starting with 1 and okay j less than or is equals to okay 1 and okay j plus plus which means that now we are going to okay very first time j is equals to 1 less than or equals to 1 condition is incorrect. Now we are going to, now we are going to increment the value called okay 2. But okay here what is the value of okay 2? Okay what is the okay value okay, what is the condition? 2 less than or is equals to 1 condition is incorrect, right? It will come out. Whereas in next iteration, for example, if the value of okay, now if the value of okay j is equals to okay if the value of okay j is equals to okay 5, so this will change to here okay 5. So okay this will change to 5 here. So okay, if it is okay 6, we are going to change. So the simple logic. So the condition of okay here. So we are going to iterate this line. Okay, you are going to iterate this loop. The number of times. The number of times of okay I. So we have to use okay here j plus plus. When you want to print it on a reverse order, then okay this is the another logics. This is the so okay, okay, whatever that logic okay earlier we use that logic we need to be so okay use it. So for example, okay, if you want to print it on a reverse order, how do we print it on reverse order? So the same condition, so okay here okay echo done, right? So okay here okay once one is completed. So now also okay use this okay same okay and okay here as well echo. So echo then okay star okay echo just okay space. So okay here, how are you going to okay? So first time, so now we're clear, right? So okay, if that outer loop iterates one time, your inner loop is also iterate one time. So accordingly, if the outer loop the value of outer loop is one, the inner loop has to execute one time. If it is two, two times, three times, okay, four times, okay, four times, five okay five times. So now okay here now I want to do it in like a reverse order. So if that outer loop is okay, okay, if the outer loop is okay one, now I want to okay display either. So either I can okay either okay we can there are two ways to display. One is make the changes on okay, in outer loop, or also there are two ways to do that. Whether we make the changes on our okay outer loop or okay inner loop. So here I am going to okay give it as okay j is equals to okay I, and okay j less than or is equals to okay 10, j less than or is equals to 10, and okay j plus plus. So both the ways we are going to okay display, both the ways okay we are going to so display that. So that is how, so we need to be okay understand how these programs are going to be so okay execute. So I hope it's clear for okay everyone. So okay, any doubts on okay here? So this is how okay, we can able to write the so inside while loop and okay for loop, okay, we can okay write we can able to okay the advantages of this for loop is it will be very easy for you to understand. It is easy for you, it is a kind of okay eye catch. So where we can able to see that okay the initialization is this one, condition is this one, increment is this one. So we can easily okay we can easily okay we can easily catch, and okay we can take some okay decision. Whereas in for loop the initialization is somewhere, condition is somewhere, and okay increment operator is somewhere. So we need to okay keep okay some extra focus. This is the okay this styles of syntax, and okay even the while loop syntax almost both of them are same, almost both of them are okay same, both of them are okay same. Now we want to, so now okay we want to, so this is the kind of okay standard okay style syntax. Now okay even for loop is also having the Unix okay style syntax, Unix okay style okay syntax. So Unix style okay syntax means, so where it can take the okay input as, so okay, it can take the okay input as, so as part of this guide, so where as part of Unix style syntax it can take okay input as okay input as okay range. So it can also take the okay input as okay range. The same facility we are having it on okay Python also. So it can also take, it can okay range, and okay it takes okay multiple okay ranges okay as an okay input, as an okay input. This is okay one thing. And so we can also it can also take the input, it can take okay it can take, so okay input from okay array. So array in the sense like okay for example if we are okay passing it as okay dollar star, so even dollar star dollar hash, even there it can also take the input as okay the same thing. For example it can also take okay input as okay positional parameters okay which are okay dollar okay star and okay dollar okay hash. So there are okay dollar hash or okay dollar okay at the rate, dollar hash and dollar okay at the rate. So it can also take the input as these two, and it can also take the key, it can also take the input as, it can also read the, it can also read the read the output of output of a command, output of a command as well. These are the different features supports by for loop, supports by for loop. So how it takes the input as a range? It's very simple. For I, the syntax of this one is for control variable. So we need to use a for control variable in. So for control variable in any of those control variable in, so input, that input could be either range or multiple ranges or array or position parameters or output of a command, also output of a command also it can accepts. So then the remaining things are do statements, statements and fi, do statements and done. So even inside a for loop, we can also keep a while loop. If a for loop can also contains another for loop, we can also use the if conditions as well. So it depends on your requirement. We can go ahead and use it. So here, so for example, for I in, so 1 to 100, so do echo dollar I, done. So now still, I mean, we are going to, now shrink the program. Still we are going to, so in the previous syntax, if you want to, display I is equals to 1, I less than or is equals to 100, I plus plus. You don't want to specify this. So you just specify the range, which range you want to, do that. Then accordingly it can able to, so we should have to always, use the, so we should have to always, use, so we should have to always, use, two dots only. So two dots will specify the, range. Two dots will specify the, range. So I mean this should be always in a flower brackets also. The range should be always, you should define in flower brackets. If you're not going to specify in flower brackets, so it will consider one dot 100 and it will display that output. So range should be always, range should be always, range should be always, so always, always encloses with flower brackets, encloses with the flower brackets. This is the one thing you need to be remember. So now, so we can also give that range, we can also give the range in reverse order also. For example, 1 to 100. So for example, if you go with 1 to 5, and we can also give the input as then 10 to 10 to 5. So both ranges we can able to give it. Just that space is a delimiter. So first it will display that 1 2 3 4 5, then 10 9 5 6 7. So we can able to give the multiple ranges of input. So there is no limitations. We can able to give multiple range of input. We can able to give it. For example, 10 colon 100, or 10 colon, so for example, 10 colon 15. So the first how it works is, first it takes this as a input, then it will be, and then this one. So here I will be the control variable. So whichever is going to whichever the value is going to iterate, whichever the value is going to iterate, so that value, so whichever the value is going to iterate, so that value it will come to that it will come to that control variable. So from the control variable, so from the control variable, from the control variable, we can able to, so from the control variable, so we can able to read, and we can performs the operations. So range 1, range 2 and range 3. So then do echo dollar I and done. Range should be always encloses with flower brackets. And the other one is, so for example, if you want to create multiple files with some extension, then even that also we can able to achieve it. For example, let's consider I want to create files. So India, INDIA, from 1 to 100. Then I want to keep it as dot txt. Dot txt echo dollar I. and okay touch, okay dollar, okay I touch dollar, okay I touch dollar, okay I. So go to okay cd, okay temp. So now okay, run this command. So this will okay generate these many files okay quickly. It will generate these many files okay quickly. So this way, this is one of the okay, best this is one of the okay, best utility where okay we go with okay for loops. We can also okay use, so we can also use the okay output of a command also. We can also use the, so we can also okay use okay output of okay command as well. So okay echo dollar okay I. So ls hyphen okay lrt forward slash okay temp forward slash okay temp. So here okay, you will see the okay, differences. For example, if it is a line, right? So if it is a line, so you know that okay, this entire all of this in a single line, right? All of these are in a single line. But if you go with okay while loop, every space it will consider as okay from every space it will consider as a range and it will display it on a different line. It will display it on okay different line. So okay, here ls hyphen lrt temp arc okay single quotations print okay dollar okay nf print dollar okay nf. So dollar nf means it will try to, we are trying to access the last field, and the same last field we are trying to okay we are trying to okay extract. So ls hyphen lrt temp okay arc okay here. So then single quotations okay close and okay here this way. So this way also we can able to, so okay this okay this is the, we can also give the okay output of a command. So this output we can also keep it as on, okay this output okay we can also keep it on brackets as well. So this output we can also keep it on brackets as well. So all will perform the same kind of okay activities, nothing okay much, nothing much, it's going to be performed. See how fast it will display the output. So, I mean, so here we discuss about a single range, multiple ranges, and it can also read the output of a command as well. So, array in the sense, how do we construct an array? So, okay, if you are going to okay, declare as an array, so okay, okay, how do we declare the array? For example, so okay, here we are going to declare, so array is equals to, so for example, okay, a is equals to in brackets. So okay, one okay space two space three space five space seven eight nine. So 10. So even this also we can able to give the okay, input as, so input okay as part of okay as part of okay for loop, that is called the so array. So okay, if there is a okay, sequence of elements, even that also we can able to so give it as an okay input. So this continuation of okay this how to provide input as an array, and okay, how to read the input by using dollar star and dollar at the rate, and okay few more real time examples okay with shell script okay with for loop. So we'll discuss it on tomorrow. So I have work at 10:30. So so we'll continue this class on okay tomorrow. If you're having any doubts also, okay we can okay discuss on tomorrow. Okay.